Geturðu sagt mér frá því hvernig þú lærðir íslensku? Okay, so hello and welcome. This is my channel, Speak Viking, and I'm speaking to you now as Óskar Bragi, that's my name. And what you're going to be seeing here is my chat with ChatGPT. Now, if you don't know, ChatGPT is a computer program designed to understand and generate human-like language. It was created by a company called OpenAI to make ChatGPT really good at understanding and generating language. It was trained on a lot of text using a specific type of computer architecture called GPT 3.5. I tried it out and asked it how it had learned Icelandic because it recently came out with this option that you can ask it questions in Icelandic and it will answer you in Icelandic. So cool. Go check it out, please, and enjoy. Okay, so this is me chatting with ChatGPT in Icelandic. Hi, ChatGPT. Hello, how can I assist you today? Talar þú íslensku? Do you speak Icelandic? Já, ég get tala íslensku. Hvernig get ég aðstoða þig í dag? Geturðu sagt mér frá því hvernig þú lærðir íslensku? Could you tell me about how you learned Icelandic? Eitt af því sem ég forvitin sem tölvukerfi hvernig tungumál eru kennd og lært. Þegar ég lærði íslensku þá var ég forritun sem byggði á því að greina talmálsfærni, orðasambönd, setningarbyggingu og merkingu. Þetta var gert með því að nota grunnatriði tungumálafræðinnar eins og nafnorð, sagnorð, atviksorð og fleira til að búa til mótun og merkingarmynstur sem líktu eftir þeim sem eru algeng í íslensku tungumáli. Til að þjálfa mig á íslensku var ég einnig settur í gegnum fjölbreyttar próf og æfingar til að þróa skilning og skilning á talmáli, skriftum og málfarsreglum. Þetta leyfði mér að þroska skilning á talmáli og skriftum á íslensku og hjálpaði mér að læra hvernig á að nota tungumálið á réttan og auðskiljanlegan hátt. Á meðan ég hef ennþá áttað mig á öllum fínustu nýjansum í íslensku tungumáli, nýjansum, that's not a word, get ég verið mjög hjálpsamur í að svara spurningum sem tengjast tungumálinu og íslenskri menningu. Yeah, so this is a remarkably good answer. There are little nuances, which is what he was trying to say here, nýjansum, little nuances that get lost and declensions that are not correct, but overall I can understand what ChatGPT is saying. Let me see if þér fyrir. Gætirðu nokkuð þýtt það sem þú varst að segja yfir á ensku? Yes, I could translate to English. Gætirðu þýtt eftirfarandi yfir á ensku? So I'm just asking it to translate over into English what it just said. Certainly, here's the translation of the text you provided. One of the things I'm curious about as an AI system is how languages are taught and learned. When I was learning Icelandic, I was programmed to analyze its grammar, syntax, and semantics. This was done using the basic principles of linguistics, such as nouns, verbs, adjectives, and more. to create patterns and structures that resembled those commonly found in the Icelandic language. To train myself in Icelandic, I also went through various tests and exercises to develop my comprehension and understanding of the language's spoken and written forms, as well as its grammatical rules. This allowed me to develop a grasp of the language and its usage in a correct and understandable way. While I'm still familiarizing myself with all the nuances of the Icelandic language, I can be very helpful in answering questions related to the language and Icelandic culture. Thank you so much for watching that. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed it. Takk fyrir og bless bless.